So this is the first job opening that we have where someone is hiring as a security analyst in Mangalore. Okay, and this is till 10th of July. There's a application period till 10th of July you can apply, right? And hr@iq.net.com is the mail on which you can drop your resume. They want VAPT person with the knowledge in web, Android application, network security, ethical hacking, a strong knowledge in communications, right? So apply. This is for freshers. If you have knowledge of web application pen testing, you can do. If you don't have knowledge about web application pen testing and if you want to learn, then just check out this URL viehgroup.com/tci. Here you can learn a lot of things, right? The next one is for the SOC analyst. If you want to join as SOC analyst, there is 1 to 3 years of experience is required. 6 LPA they can pay you. This is the responsibilities and the other couple of things they are looking for. Himanshu.gupta2@dxc.com is the mail on which you need to drop your resume. Right. So this is what they have. So if you don't have knowledge about SOC because it's trending, right? If you want to apply, just check out this URL viehgroup.com/SOC, right? Now next one is if you're looking for information security consultant, 3 to 5 years of experience required. It's Noida with job, web mobile API, and testing is required. This is a domain in which you need to work, and this is skills which is required, right? Nidhi.bakshi@isec40.com is the mail on which you need to drop your resume. Now next one is Night System is currently looking for associate list UAE. Okay, and MS Sentinel, QRadar, IBM Guardian, EDR is required. 2 weeks, minimum 1 month of uh, joining frame is required. This is a mail ID nisantini@suda@nairsystems.com. Yeah, that's all today for today, guys. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, please ask.